Alright, people, we're going to have to do it a little different today because of the rain. Every time I open YouTube, my YouTube app crashes. So, I'm just going to go ahead and try to do it the regular way. And then upload it as a premiere, I guess. I guess that's the only choice I got. Oh, we got a duck egg. Nope, that's chicken egg. Nope, yep, that's chicken egg. And then we got another surprise today. QT sent me something from Amazon. I don't know what it is yet because I haven't opened it. But I guess I'll find that out a little bit later. Go back in the corner. Alright. No eggs back here. Come on, chicken, go. Get our water bucket. Come on, guys.
Quiet through a movie, you know?
I like going to watch him. I didn't really.
Oh, okay, I get it. That would be kind of funny.
Oh,
You see the guy in the theater that everybody's going,
we complained about the actor.
Alright, come on. Go, chickens. Henry, you don't belong up there, buddy. Alright, come on, ducks. Well, if you get under my feet, I'll walk on you. That's what happened.
Baby.
what the fuck? Have a hard time quitting smoking, did you?
Here you go, duckies. That's for you guys.
You're going to have a rooster with a can stuck on his head in a minute.
Henry?
Yeah, look. Look at Henry.
Come on, guys.
I'm waiting for him to stand up with the fucking can on his
Let
head.
me see where that hole is. Come on, you guys.
I have nothing to picture with this.
There we go.
make a great thumbnail for a video. If you
Yeah,
took a
check it
picture
out,
of that.
dude. That would make a good one.
Well, I'm videoing now.
Are ya?
Yeah, I can't go live because
Okay.
every time I hit live, my YouTube app
Well, if
crashes.
you can tape that, that's awesome. Check him out. That's Henry the Rooster. Oh, I was waiting for him to stand up with it on his head. Did you
Poor-
get
We were
enough,
watching
Henry?
that. It had him
Poor
inside
Henry.
coffee.
Poor Henry. We're all making fun of you, buddy. He's like, yeah, fuck you. I'll spur you.
Hey, Hag,
But
do you want to go over there and get me the coffee can that's over there?
yeah.
Where?
All right, here you go, baby quail. Sweet, thanks.
And
Hey, ducks.
he's making his secret formula. Here, I'll trade with you.
Yeah. Dude, I'll tell you what. I got some shit for your quail if they like little clover.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, I'm not doing that. Henry's like looking at me funny.
Hey, move it along.
Don't worry, Henry. I'll get you some next, okay? I promise.
All right, well, I'll trade you.
Alright.
There.
Here's this.
So that needs the top.
I got that. That's for the quail. I'll take that. Okay.
There you go, quail. Yep, another.
Alright.
Yeah, another mole thing. Here, here. I got the door open. It's easier.
Yeah.
You got little hands, so
Yeah, I can fit right through here.
there's where I drilled my thumb earlier. I blamed it on QT.
Poor cutie.
Get our food and our eggs. Hag, on your way past the Hag, on your way past the truck, you want to open it up and grab that package from QT out of there? There we go. Now we got 9. Well, we'll take it in. I said we'll take it in because it's got to be. We'll open it when we get inside. Because that package, even though it's plastic, is soaking wet.
That thing that's showing up from USPS tomorrow is my upper control arm. I have no idea why it's not coming through, Amazon.
Well, keep your eye peeled for the truck. If I see him up front, we'll talk to you.
Well, it's kind of like the same crap that happens to me,
I
man.
usually yell out the window, "Thank you," and they look up and go, "Somebody actually lives here?"
It'll probably be a case of having to go there and get it before they close.
Yeah, that'll be before 4:30.
Yeah. All right, I gotta go in, man. I'm having trouble here. Thanks, man.
I think I'm gonna upload this as a premiere.
Would you like me to undo my hair? Or not?
Sure.
Well, I don't want to do it inside because it's a bad backdrop, you know? Here,
all right.
right here.
Well, yeah, give me a minute. Let me put this away and you can take care of what you gotta take care of.
I don't have anything to take care of. It's all going on with me.
Sorry, guys. You gotta take your regular feeder in to dry out. We'll take a look at Hag's hair.
Are you ready?
Yeah, Hag, undo your hair. Even though you got dirt all in it.
It doesn't matter though, does it? I mean,
No.
where's the dirt?
Right.
Oh, I got hay in it.
Yeah.
A little bit of mud.
Yep.
Never hurt anybody.
And there you can see her undercut to get rid of her frochine hair.
Yes. Yeah, I do have a little bit of mud here. That's all right. It'll dry and brush out. There we go. And shortly, somewhere in here, there's going to be a stripe or two. I'm thinking one purple, one blue.
Whatever makes you happy.
It's a lot of hair, though. And you should see what came out on the brush. It was
All right.
enough to make a whole dog.
Well, I got to go put this
I gotta go
inside,
get my
and
shit inside.
my phone's getting soaked, so.
All right.
This marks the end of the premiere.
All right, we shall see you later, peeps. Love ya.
And we will live stream if the app lets us. Take
Peace
care,
to ya.
everyone. Peace. We're out.